COVID-19's deadly second wave is now spreading from big cities to small towns in India. New mutations of COVID-19 is more deadly, infectious and dangerous. It has new symptoms and physical disorders that cannot be ignored. This time, it is not just infecting middle-aged and senior citizens, but also the younger ones. In many patients, RT-PCR results are coming negative, while lungs get a severe infection. In such cases, high-resolution chest-computed tomography is the only option to diagnose the lung infection. HRCT should be prescribed only by the certified physician. However, rush to be safe early increases the HRCT demand. Researchers have worried that the medical imaging procedure could increase the risk of developing cancer. CT scanners bombard the human body with the X-ray beam. X-rays are ionizing radiations with high energy wavelengths or particles that penetrate tissues to reveal the structure of internal body parts. These radiations can damage DNA, though cells can repair most of the damage. Sometimes they do this job imperfectly, leaving small areas of misrepair that result in DNA mutations which may stimulate cells to grow into tumors. During CT, X-ray rotate around the human body, help to create a detailed three-dimensional image compared to a normal X-ray. A single CT scan subjects the human body to between 150 to 1100 times more radiations than a normal X-ray. This exposure is equivalent to a whole year of radiation from both natural and artificial sources in the environment. The radiation exposure from medical sources was 15% in the 1980s. That increased up to 50% today. Researchers working to reduce these radiation exposure without significantly reduce the image quality. A defined figure is not known about the rate of risk and cancer development by such exposures, because the effect of radiation damage take many years to appear. Doctors advise people not to go directly for HRCT unless prescribed based on the severity of symptoms.